You were mad at me because I got that. I got it.
Trying to chop at your toes when you're getting in. You better run and jump. Yo, that gingerbread man is still smoking out there.
That's all right. Just stay away from him.
That was like 20 minutes ago. He's still
Nothing
smoking.
lasts longer than old. He picked that out. He picks that out every year. That crazy frog.
I picked that out.
We're doing the frog?
And the baseball that I picked out.
Yeah.
Austin.
What? What?
Uh-oh. It's going to go. There it goes. Watch it go up in the air. Come on, baseball. It looks like Saturn's spinning.
Yeah.
Player in his shirt.
Yeah.